What if I told you that wealth starts with thought, not talent, not money, not even luck? Napoleon Hill spent 25 years studying 500 of the most successful people in the world, from Andrew Carnegie to Henry Ford, and came away with one truth. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. In this episode, we'll break down Think and Grow Rich, one of the most influential success books of all time. If you're ready to rewire your mindset for success and build wealth from the inside out, let's dive in. Part 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Hill says the first step to riches is burning desire. Not wishful thinking, but obsession-level desire. He gives a 6-step process to translate desire into reality. 1. Know exactly how much money you want. 2. Know what you're willing to give in return. 3. Set a definite date. 4. Create a plan and start immediately. 5. Write it all down. 6. Read it aloud twice daily.
Why?
Because repetition conditions the subconscious. Part 2. Faith, believing in yourself. Faith is not just religious. It's belief in your vision. Hill says belief is built through auto-suggestion, feeding the subconscious with affirmations, repeated emotion, and vision. If you don't believe, you won't act. If you don't act, you won't succeed. So faith becomes the fuel. Part 3. Autosuggestion, programming your mind. Autosuggestion is Hill's word for self-hypnosis. You feed your mind with your goal.
Daily.
Emotionally. Repetitively. This is how you rewire your brain to focus on opportunity, not fear. It's the root of modern manifestation and mindset work. Part 4. Specialized knowledge, focus. Don't generalize. You don't need to know everything. You need to know your niche deeply. Hill emphasizes that applied knowledge, not just education, creates wealth. Hire experts. Learn fast. Focus deep. Part 5. Imagination. Your mind is the workshop of the future. Ideas are the foundation of riches. Hill distinguishes 2 types of imagination. Synthetic imagination, combining existing ideas. Creative imagination, tapping into new insights. Every great invention, business, or book began as a single idea. Protect yours. Part 6. Decision, the mastery of procrastination. Successful people make decisions fast and change them slow. Indecision breeds doubt. Doubt kills action. Train yourself to act quickly. Decide, commit, adjust later. Don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Part 7. Persistence. When nothing else works, you will face failure. Everyone does. Hill says persistence is the key trait of the wealthy. They keep going when others quit. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent, especially when it's hard. Part 8. Power of the mastermind. Collaborate to grow. Wealth isn't a solo game. Hill advocates creating a mastermind group, a group of aligned, committed people to support and challenge you. Surround yourself with thinkers, doers, visionaries. You rise to the level of your environment. Part 9. The subconscious mind. The link to infinite intelligence. The subconscious never sleeps. It stores everything and controls your emotions and habits. Hill teaches that your subconscious is the gateway to infinite intelligence, a higher source of ideas, creativity, and even intuition. Feed it wisely. Part 10. The brain plus the sixth sense. Your brain is both a receiver and a transmitter of thoughts. Hill believed thoughts are energy, and that when you're tuned in, you attract aligned ideas and people. The sixth sense is that intuitive flash, and it only develops after practicing all other principles. Bonus: fear, the greatest enemy. Hill ends the book warning about the 6 basic fears: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. Fear paralyzes. Success demands courage. Your job: identify your dominant fear and confront it daily. Key takeaways. Success starts with desire, grows with faith, and matures through persistence. Repetition reprograms your subconscious. Decision and action beat perfection. Fear is your enemy. Confront it with courage. Wealth is a mindset before it's a bank balance. Call to action. Your thoughts are powerful.
Guard them.
Direct them. Amplify them. If you found value in this breakdown of Think and Grow Rich, hit that like button, subscribe to The Dive with Phil, and comment below. What's one idea you're ready to commit to with faith and action? Tomorrow, we dive into the mom test, where you'll learn how to ask questions that get to the truth, even if everyone's lying to you.